Hello, welcome to Unicycle.com videos. Today we've got another quick tips video. Today we're going to do wheel walking. Wheel walking is one of the more advanced intermediate tricks, and it involves putting your feet onto the tyre to actually move forward. So let me move back a bit. We're going to go on a unicycle. I'm using the wall here just to hold on for stability. So you put your feet on the tyres and you walk forward. Now this is wheel walking. Yeah? Let me just get off and well back again, and let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so feet are on the tyres. My foot is exactly in line with the tyre. Yeah, it's not across it, this way or this way. It is actually in line with the tyre, and the next foot goes on behind it, and you can actually see there is a gap between my feet. Take my foot off, and the other foot goes in behind it, in line. Yeah? So, and now for the tip that you're going to need for this. And it's not actually to do with your feet. I've shown you that bit already. It's to do with balance. So, when you're learning wheel walking, you're bringing your legs in front of you. All that extra weight. What you need to do is actually lean back. Two ways you can do it. You can actually take your shoulders back and arch your back slightly, or you can just center yourself back. So just think, knees in the front, I need to relax and put my weight further back, and you'll find that you can wheel walk away. There we go. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Hopefully you've got yourself a tip there, and we'll see you at the next one. Put my feet back on the pedals and I'll wind back a bit.